So y'all, we are working with Unice Hair Company in this video. They sent me a lot of good goodies in the box, including this robe. I got on this really cute pink robe, which I really love. I never received a robe before, and I've been wanting to get me a silk robe. So I really appreciate them. A wig cap comes in the box, of course. Well, I got two wig caps in here. I think this is a scarf that says Unice, and it's cute, super duper cute. Got another scarf. Finally I got me a melt belt that I can use for my laces, period. Okay y'all, so we're just gonna get right into the install. This is a 24-inch U-part wig, and it is body wave. Y'all, this wig is super easy to install. It's self-explanatory. All you gotta do is use those clips to clip onto your hair, and also pull your hair down in your wig down in the back so that it can be secure. And as you guys can see, it's already on my head. Super easy and quick. And I'm just gonna do a middle part. You can do a side part if you want to, but I'm doing a middle. It's super easy to do a middle part. I'm just gonna be taking really small sections of my hair and pressing it out just so that it can blend with the wig. It's really self-explanatory. I'm really not gonna do too much talking after this because it's really self-explanatory, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. More.
Got me face down, and don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know
like. It's giving natural vibes, natural things, y'all. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. Period. See you guys in my next one.
When is this my thing? You just